Here we have two GPUs, HP Omen RTX 3090 that came in for repair. One of them came like this, disassembled, board only, and the other one came as a whole. We're gonna work on this one today, and maybe we'll work on the other one tomorrow. And oh, right off the bat, look at what I see. Right off the bat. I did not do anything yet, and look at what I found. If we have a blown DR MOS here or a shorted DR MOS, it's very likely that we're gonna get a short on our 12-volt line, either the left or the right or both. Meter in diode mode, and let's point our probe right here, and we have a short. We have a short just like I expected, and we have a short. So we have a short on both 12-volt lines, and that is expected because of the blown DR MOS strip, this one here. Now this may be what's causing the problem, or it could be that we have more faulty DR MOSes. And I see something very unique I never seen before on the video card. A long piece of what? Piece of hair. White one. So we can tell the customer has long hair and the customer has white hair. We're gonna start to analyze to know what's going on with the video card. Because if we know more about the customer, we know how that video card failed. Very important. I mean, right now the problem is obvious, and it looks like we may have layer damage. And that may deem the repair no fix. The repair no fix. The device no fix. I do not see anything obvious anywhere. I know I'm going fast, but I know what I'm looking for. Right now we have to remove this chip and hope for the best. We do not know how that layer is looking like under. What's going on here? What's going on here? What's going on everywhere? We do not know. And to remove this chip, we need to cover up those aluminum caps because they're gonna pop and blow in your face. So we do not want that to happen. And we do see a nasty burn mark, a nice crispy fried chicken right here. But there's nothing that we can do about this right now, so let's keep it as is. I mean, we know that this area suffered a nasty burn, a nasty blowout. Let's remove this chip right here, and then we'll see if we still have a short. But I can tell this guy is really fried down to the bones, and the smell is nasty. Yeah, the smell is like burned, I don't know, burned stuff, burned electrical wires. And that cannot be healthy to smell. And it's not moving. The chip is not moving. Now the chip suffered a nasty blow to a point where the chip molded itself to the board. It fused itself to the layer of the board. So the chip is not coming off unless we rip the layers under it, which is very likely a no fix for this card. We got it, and just like I said, let's take a look at the chip from the back. Look at that nasty burn that just took out the pins here, the pads here, I mean, and the pads on the board. Bye bye. The hole is so deep that we're not going to work on it. This board is multi-layer. I do not know how many layers, 10, 12, 14, I do not know. but the hole is deep, and we're not going to be working with this hole. We do not know what lines are under this hole and where each one of the pins or the pads leads to, and it's just not practical to work on this board. Bye bye. Rest in peace. Such a nice card, but we do not know what happened. We just have to do a moment of silence, and I feel bad for the customer. That card is nice, but what can you do? That's it. We're gonna end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it, even though we did nothing but take out that chip. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.